Hello grade ones, I hope you've enjoyed starting to add numbers together, and I'm just going to show you a couple things before you do your work today. This is lesson number 3, and we're going to talk about adding numbers, okay? So we are going to start with the number 26, and I want to add 5. Okay, so what you will notice, I have my green counters here, my green rectangles, and we'll show you one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 in this row, and this other row is the same, is 10 again. So we have 2 10s, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that makes our number 26. 2 10s and 6 1s. And we want to add 5 more 1s. Now, when you've been adding, we've been talking about doing 10s first. So we have 2 10s in this number. Do we have any 10s in this number? No. Okay, so now let's add our 1s. Now, let's bring them over. So we've got 1 here, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, what did you notice? When I added 4 more to the 6, that made another 10. And how many were left over? 1. So we now have 3 10s and 1 1. So 3 10s is 30, and we have 1 1s. Okay, so I'm going to pull this back, the 5 back here. So we have 26 plus 5. So when we're adding our 1s, we do 6 plus 5. What is 6 plus 5? Well, we knew 4 more made a 10, and 1 left over is 11. So 6 plus 5 is 11, which means we have another 10. So we had 2 10s here, plus another 10 gives us our 3 10s. And then we had, right? And then we have our 1 1 left over. So we add the 1s, 6 plus 5 equals 11, which means we have another 10, and we have 1 1 left over. And you bring them over, okay? I'm going to do another example with you. So I'm going to stick with our 26. So our first number is 26 again. But this time, I want us to add 8. So I'm going to get my 8 1s here. I have 5 from last time, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I have 2 10s and 6 1s, and I have 8 1s over here. Okay? So I'm going to add our 6 plus 8. Do we know what 6 plus 8 is? Well, we want to make a 10. Well, we know we have 6. If I bring over 4 more, I have another 10. So I have 1 10. And how many 1s left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So if I'm doing 26 plus 8, I know I have 2 10s, but when I added my 1s, I got another 10. So I have 2 10s plus my other 1. Now I have 1, 2, 3 10s. And how many 1s did I have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. 34. Okay? So you want to, when we're adding our 1s together, it might make another 10 for us. So we have to make sure to add that to our 10s. Okay? And you're going to do exercise 58 in your workbook today. Have fun!